before cleaning the tractor. To this. Yeah, it's looking nice and clear on the outside as well. We pressure washed it down and let's have a quick go with some cleaning substance. After I've done the painting, I'm quite impressed with that. That looks quite good. It's that side and also this side. Right, I've just got to build a wall round here of bales to take the pigs from that gate there round to this gate here. have all gone, which this row is empty now. First we have to go through the load and push all the muck out. I've got the grab close so you can see on the top there. That's part one. Shoo shoo! This is part two. We have to take the hoppers out. Pull the pin out. But by then the hoppers are held in with bolts. So undo that. If they're all like this, we'll be finished in about 10 minutes. There's a bit of wet in one or two places. Just pushing out the last little bit. Yeah, there's a little bit of water in the bottom. Right, this is in the bottom of our grain pit. There's a metal tank in here, and there's a spring just behind that grid in there. Ever so slowly water seeps in here. So we have to have this pump down here to take all the water out, otherwise you can imagine what water and grain do, they mess up, and it doesn't smell very nice down here. You don't get that from this YouTube channel, do you? But no, it doesn't smell very nice down here. So basically we've put this pump down here, and now we're going to cover it with foam to stop rubbish and stuff getting in there. That bit goes in the corner there like that, and then the water, just if you look, you can actually see the water gradually soaking down there. Obviously it's been quite wet recently, so everything's a bit wet. Push that in there like that. Now we've just made a piece of metal to put above that, which is here. Right, there, piece of metal's above it. Should stop all grain getting in there. That's got a float in, so it does it completely automatic, it turns itself on and off.